Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Notion template using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT. Before typing anything, think about what kind of template you want to create. For example, do you need a habit tracker, a content planner, or a project dashboard? Let's say you want to make a content planner for social media. Start by asking ChatGPT for ideas. Type something like, "Give me a creative Notion template idea for social media content planning." ChatGPT will give the structure and idea of a template. Next, ask ChatGPT to turn that idea into a ready-to-use template prompt. Type, "Write a detailed Notion prompt that will generate a social media content planner." ChatGPT will create a detailed prompt with structure and sections like content calendar, platform tracker, and post ideas. Now copy the final prompt and go to Notion. Open a new page. At the bottom of the page, click on the Notion AI button or type the / command to open the AI menu. Choose Generate with AI. Then paste the ChatGPT prompt. Wait a few seconds while Notion creates the layout. You will see tables, lists, and sections appear automatically. Review the result. You can edit the titles, add colors, or move blocks to fit your workflow. You now have a personalized Notion template created with help from ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.